Very good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes of English. Today we are going to do the revision of a chapter from your grammar book. The name of the chapter is the adjectives. Now, adjective is a topic which you have discussed in your junior classes also. So, let's discuss about it a little bit. What do you mean by adjective? So, an adjective is something which defines a noun. Suppose if I say Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a proper noun. And if I say Taj Mahal is beautiful. So the word beautiful over here defines the proper noun Taj Mahal. So we can say that the word beautiful is the adjective. Now same way there are some sentences given over here. Let's see one by one. The first one is Sita is a clever girl. So the word girl here is a noun, common noun. And the word clever, which is defining the girl, is the adjective. Number 2, I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. Boy is a common noun and the word that defines the common noun. So it is the adjective. Now the next sentence, he gave me 5 mangoes. So he gave me 5 mangoes. The word mangoes is a noun. And the word 5 over here, which is defining mangoes, is the adjective. Number 4, there is little time for preparation. So how much time is left? Little time. So the word little here is adjective. Same way, all the sentences, 4 sentences are described one by one. Now here comes the definition of adjective. A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or things which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity, is called an adjective. So this is the definition of adjective. Now let's come to the kinds of adjectives. So the first one is adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. It shows the kind of quality of a person or thing. As Kolkata is a large city. What type of city? Large city. So the word large city, large here, is adjective of quality. It shows the quality of the noun Kolkata. He is an honest man. So it defines the man. It shows the quality of the man. So the word honest here is adjective of quality. Next, the foolish old crow tried to sing. The word foolish here is adjective of quality. This is a grammar of the English language. The word English, which language? English language. So the word English here is adjective of quality. Now, let's move on with the next type. The next type of adjective is adjective of quantity. It shows how much of the thing it meant. As I ate some rice. He showed much patience. He had little intelligence. How much? Like the first sentence, I ate some rice. How much rice? Some rice. He showed much patience. How much patience? Much patience. The word in the first sentence, some. The next sentence, much. Third sentence, little. These words are adjective of quantity. Next, we have had enough exercise. How much exercise? Enough. So the word enough is adjective of quantity. He has lost all his wealth. How much of his wealth? All his wealth. So the word all here is adjective of quantity. So this way some more examples are given. Read it out. And the adjectives are given in italic form. So it won't be difficult for you to understand the adjective of quantity. I hope adjective of quality and adjective of quantity is clear to all of you. Next, adjectives of number. Now, when anything shows how many persons or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands, that is called adjective of number. Like if I say the hand has 5, my hand has 5 fingers. How many fingers? 5. And it is countable. I can count it. So that type of adjective is known as adjective of number. Few cats like cold water. How many cats? Few cats. It shows the number of cats. There are no pictures in the book. How many pictures? No pictures. I have taught you many things. What type of things? Many things. So this shows how much, or you can say it is the further expanded part of quantity. It also shows quantity but in the numeral form. So these are adjectives of number. Now the next one, with adjectives of number, we have three kinds of adjective of number. First one is definite numeral adjective, second is indefinite numeral adjective, and the third one is distributive numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective means which denotes an exact number. Like I have two sisters. So here when I am specifying that I have two sisters, the word two over here is definite numeral adjective. But in case of indefinite numeral adjective, which do not denote an exact number, like I can say there are many birds in the terrace. I am saying many. So the number is not known to me. It is indefinite. Maybe there are 10, maybe there are 20, maybe there are 5. I don't know the exact number, but I am specifying it with the word many. So there are some words which denotes the indefinite numeral adjective. They are all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, sundry. So these are the words which shows that the numeral adjective is definite or indefinite. So in case of these words, it is indefinite numeral adjective. The third one is distributive numeral adjective, which refer to each one of a number as each boy must take his turn. So I am distributing it. Each boy must take his turn means I am telling every boy to take their turn. So the word each over here is distributive numeral adjective. Next, India expects every man to do his duty. Who expects? India expects. So India expects every man. Which man? Every man. So the word every over here is distributive numeral adjective. So here same way some other examples are also given. Go through it. Next, number 73. Point number 73 says the same adjective may be classed as a quantity or number according to the use. Like adjective of quantity, I ate some rice, and the same sentence, when the sentence is in adjective of number, we say some boys are clever. I ate some rice. Rice is the noun, and just before the noun, if I am using it is adjective of quantity. And some boys, same way here, boys is also a noun, but the adjective is used at the beginning of the sentence, so it is adjective of number. When the adjective of quantity is used at the beginning of the number, it is adjective of number. So although adjective of quantity and number is same, there is a little bit difference which you need to understand. Next, he have lost all his wealth. Next, all men must die. Same way you can see the adjective is at the beginning of the sentence in case of adjective of number. When we say about adjective of number, the adjective is placed at the beginning. Next is demonstrative adjective. So what do you mean by demonstrative adjective? It points out which person or thing it meant, as this boy is stronger than Hari. So I'm pointing out a boy and saying this boy is stronger. So when I'm pointing out certain thing, person or thing, that is said to be demonstrative adjective. That boy is industrious. These mangoes are sour. Those rascals must be punished. Yonder fort once belonged to Shivaji. So these words, this, that, these, those, yonder, such, these words are demonstrative adjectives. So go through the examples, it will be clear to you. Point number 75 says the words what, which, and whose, when they are used with nouns to ask questions, are called interrogative adjectives. So when some of the words like what, which, and whose is used before the sentence and there is a question mark at the end of the sentence, it is said to be interrogative adjective. The word interrogative itself means questioning. So when interrogative adjectives, some of the words like what, which, whose and etc., there are some more, when used at the beginning of the sentence and a question mark is given at the end, it is said to be interrogative adjective. Here is an exercise which says pick out all the adjectives in the following sentences and say to which class of them belongs. Like the ship sustained heavy damages. You have to underline the adjectives here and specify what type of adjective it is. So this will be your homework. You have to solve this exercise for your homework and then we are going to discuss the answers in our next class. So if anybody of you have any doubts anywhere in the exercise, in the chapter explanation, you can message me personally or give me a call. So let's end up over here. Have a good day. Thank you.